thinny. It's a thinny. Woo! Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. New day, new tumbler project. We are going to be doing an alcohol ink tumbler today. I want to play. This is my favorite way to do it. We're just going to do this. We're going to have a play. This is going to be what I would call the surprise mystery ghost swirl. I think that's the first thing I ever called it. My most watched video was when I first tried this like 3 years ago. I'll link to that below if you haven't seen it. I have picked colors I like. They may not be everybody's favorites, but they are mine. We have Amethyst Purple, Pacific Blue, Aegean Sea, Island Teal, and Sea Glass. These are all T-Rex inks. I have a little brass. I've mixed this with half more of a clear alcohol. So basically, if you take 10 milliliters of alcohol ink, the brass alcohol ink, that's Pinata brand, and then you add 5 milliliters of clear alcohol to it to dilute it a bit. So it's this diluted brass alcohol ink. And for my white, I am going to use Cast & Craft opaque white pigment. I'm gonna mix up, this is a 30-ounce thinny. It's a thinny. Woo! This is a 30-ounce skinny from Makerflow. I sanded it, washed it, spray painted it matte black. I'm gonna mix up 30 milliliters of resin. I'm gonna use KS Art Resin and siphon off 5 milliliters maybe for the white part. Everything else will go on the cup. These will go on the cup. This will go on the cup. And then the drizzle will go on the cup and we will see what we get. So sit back, enjoy the show. And we're back. Okay, so here's what we have. I absolutely love how this looks. It is different than what I expected, but honestly, most of the fun of alcohol ink swirls is finding out what you get because you never know. It can turn out differently every time. I felt like I put an awful lot of white on there. Obviously, I could have put more. A lot of it dissipated, and that's okay. Again, you're going to get something different every single time you do this. I did use Cast and Craft opaque white pigment. I used about 5 drops in the 5 milliliters. I could have added more. I could have gone with a white alcohol ink like Piñata's Blanco Blanco. That in the past, that will give a different result. This was just a fun project. I wanted to play with it. I love what I got. I love this. I absolutely love this entire like crowning area along the top rim. I just think that is gorgeous. But I have this spot here, underneath that, down to here, and from here to here, which is about 3 inches by 4 inches. So that's where my graphic's gonna go. And I am going with some watercolor art that I got from Etsy. I will link to everything below. You can put whatever graphic on here you want. You don't have to put a graphic at all. Nothing I do is a rule. I'm just doing what strikes me as a fun thing to do in the moment. Whatever you want to do is what you should do. And yeah, basically that's it. Not going to mess with it at all. Another possibility, because I did have this cut out on my Cricut, is you could make a frame for this, basically an offset. Just make it the thinnest offset that Cricut can make it, and then have it cut out of a gold foil type vinyl and put that around here. So it would look like it's outlined in gold, but you wouldn't have to actually try and do it yourself with a pen or something. I'm just going to leave it like this. I think this is gorgeous. I love this type of alcohol ink swirl. I have some bad news, which is according to the Weather Channel and Weather Underground and every other weather app I've looked at, the entire month of May is supposed to be gray and rainy. They're actually saying 22 days out of the 31 days of May are not going to be sunny at all. So there may be a few videos you see from this point forward until June or July when things finally dry up, where I won't be able to get a sunshine shot at the end. And I'm sorry for that, but it's just the way it is. I can't make the sun come out if it doesn't want to. Even I can't do that. You know, I'll do my best, but I'm just warning you, we may encounter some video situations where I just can't do it. Let's go out in the sunshine and see what this baby looks like. Here we go.